here today to look at the Lawrence Hardware model LH8016. This is an extra heavy duty door closer. It's cast iron. It has the instructions, easy to read on the spring tube. It's CUL listed for up to 3-hour doors. It's heavy duty construction. It features a 1.5-inch diameter piston. It comes available 6 sizes, standard size, 3 set from the factory. You'll notice there's 4 valves. Comes standard with delayed action, back check, sweep, and main. This is a very robust, heavy-duty closer, ideally suited to healthcare, including long-term care facilities, education, schools, university campuses, doctors' offices, shopping centers. Interestingly, shopping center doors can open up to 5,000 cycles per day. On an annualized basis, this is approximately 2 million cycles. This product is ANSI BHMA A156.4 and is in excess of 2 million cycle tests. We also include a standard plastic cover for aesthetic reasons. We have a forged main arm for extra heavy duty. We include a parallel arm bracket with this closer. Also included through bolts for wood door applications. The screw pack contains not only metal screws, wood screws, but self-drilling and tapping screws, as well as the 5th hole spacer for parallel arm applications.